I will explore what's inside this phone because my brother broke it. So let's take off the cover first. Okay, now we'll have to take out this part. So I'll use this knife. So I took off the this is going to take me a little. Okay. So this is the. Okay, we need the screwdriver. No. Well, we can take. No. See. So this is the back of it. It's a sealed one, so you can't take it out. There's these screwdrivers that you have to take out first. And you can see these parts over here. It has gold in it, maybe. So let's start off with taking out these screws. Wait. I took out one screw. I'll put it there.
आदि ये टेबल का तो है ना एक बार यही कटोरी ले लो
I took out another one.
दोबारा कर लो
Took out two of them already. They're over here. And right now I'm on the third one. It's a bit hard. So you see, we've taken out all of the screws. Now I'll use this knife to take it out. I'll use this to now all the screws are out because after a while I realized there was some hidden screws over here and down here. And then the backing part was like glued. Let's first take out this. Okay, that's we'll have to now take out. Let's take out the bottom part. So this part was glued, the battery, and so this part is the charging point, as you see over here. So this was the camera. It's probably broken. So basically it probably wouldn't work. Or maybe this part was the camera here. And we might be able to take it out. No. I might be able to use the camera here. And this is the LED light. So let's see what. So this was the place where you put in this SIM card thing. Okay, I'll use that to try and take it out. We might have to. So it's probably glued here. If you see, these are like connectors here. So I'll just take out that one as well, and that one, and the connector for the camera is over here. So I'll just put that there. Now it's probably going to be easier to take out since maybe we will. You can see. Can you see inside there? So I took this off like far as I could, and you can see some stuff there, and you may see something. Now let's take out this. So this is the LED for the front part over here, and this one's the camera for the front one, as you see. And there's like small atoms and elements over here, like here, and chips. And maybe that's all for today. Thank you for watching.